Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in BF Homes, Parañaque City to show you this modern contemporary home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation nitong property, facing east, and by the way, it has this adjacent home that is also for sale. So after nito, mamaya ipapakita naman namin yan, but maybe next week baka mapanood niyo. So for the orientation facing east, on my left side, the entrance for your 3-vehicle carport. And before we enter dito sa inyong pedestrian gate, you have this patch of greeneries, no, to welcome you as you enter dito sa inyong gate. By the way, for the gate, laser cut yung kanilang nilagay dito na GI sheet. So it had some geometrical design, so add some texture. Upon entering, porcelain tiles, rough texture para non-skid sa mga dadaan dito. And on my right side, 1 to 2 meters setback from your perimeter fence. We have this pathway going at the back of the property. So itong buong side garden na ito, it adds some homey vibe dito sa buong property, and it also terminates the design after all of the structure. Parang it balances yung buong bahay, and napakaganda ng vibe in this space. Your main door, and on the other side, ito naman yung inyong spacious 3-vehicle carport. You can also notice totally covered itong area na ito, so maganda maglagay dito ng sasakyan nyo, no? Talagang hindi mababasa, hindi mabilis madumihan, so less maintenance in the future. And in this space, kasya pa yung inyong huge SUV or van in this space, no? In this location, ito naman yung laundry area ninyo. Nandito na rin itong magiging toilet and bath for your staff. So ito yung laundry area, kasama na rin itong inyong mga top load or front load washing machine and dryer. And the room for your staff. Windows for proper ventilation, maluwag din, no? So, of course, after the laundry, this is the perfect spot for your drying area. May privacy na rin yung inyong magiging sinampay in this space. We also have this cover, stainless, for the cistern tank. So, meron tayong cistern tank. So, wala kayong makikitang overhead storage tank, kaya malinis tignan. And we have this at the back of the property. So, additional space maybe kung ano man yung gusto nyong gawin in the future. For the ceiling, PVC with wood grain design. Gandang tignan din, no? So, ito yung inyong main door. Your huge solid wood main door with stainless pull handles. Pasok tayo and welcome there. So as we enter from your main door, you'll be greeted by an open layout design dito sa buong ground floor. And immediately, no, mapapansin nyo yung lots of natural light coming from this side of the property, no? Lots of glass panels installed. So yan yung nagagawa ng 2-meter setback natin. Ang ganda ng natural light. So in this space, your receiving or living space, your drop ceiling design, split type AC, the location of your media wall, windows on either side, ganon din in this space. And by the way, for the material used, these are aluminum and tempered glass. For the flooring, porcelain tiles, high gloss finish. What I like in this flooring na mas madali siya mag-adjust to whatever your preference is pagdating sa interior design, ganon din sa mga walls natin. By the way, we have provision for your CCTV camera in that corner. Few steps, ito naman yung inyong magiging dining area. For your dining area, symmetrical to your drop ceiling design. Up to 10-seater dining table, kasha in this space. Again, you still have your split type AC. And in front, you have the view ng inyong side garden. So, ayan. Lots of natural light coming from that huge window. And dito sa dulo, ito naman yung inyong main kitchen. Your L-shape and island counter, lots of food preparation space, and you can also utilize this area for your breakfast nook or maybe a quick work area or an extension of your dining if you have lots of guests. And dito naman, your floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your pantry or the location of your dry goods or canned goods. We have your integrated appliances, your microwave and oven. Ganon din dito, your integrated induction booster and the location of your magiging ang tawag dito, range hood. So wala pa, hindi pa nila nailalagay yung range hood in this space, pero yan may butas na para sa dock na magiging range hood ninyo. For the counter, quartz finish yung kanilang nilagay. And by the way, in this island daw, meron din tayo additional storage space for your cutleries or utensils. Ayan. Soft close drawers. And on the other side, itong L-shaped counter ninyo, your multi-purpose sink. So, ang dali na maghugas dyan, no? Ang ganda ng function itong sink na ito. Very useful. By the way, for the backsplash, marble green design for our tiles. And huge windows para sa natural light nyo in this space. Diba? Ang daling ang daling kumilos sa isang bahay at ang gandang pagmasdan na kapag napaka-aliwalas because of their huge windows. And by the way, kasama na rin itong inyong 4-door refrigerator. Ayan. So for the base and hang cabinets, now these are modular and of course, marine plywood yung ginamit nila. The advantage is may water resistant ang material itong mga ginamit nila na marine plywood. Hindi mabilis masira yan compare sa mga particle board or yung mga MDF. And kunyari naman, you have your heavy cooking, lots of guests. This is the perfect spot naman kung ayaw nyo maamoy sa loob ng bahay yung lulutuin nyo. You have your 3 gas burners, integrated na yan with your range hood, quartz counter para sa ating additional countertop. Tiled sink. Ayan, kaparehas nitong inyong magiging parehas ng inyong counter. Your base cabinets again for your storage. And itong inyong circuit breakers na dito sa likuran ko for in case of emergency. And mapapansin mo na well-experienced yung gumagawa ng ganitong property. Imagine, you have this metal door so hindi yan mabilis masira kapag nauulanan or nababasa during heavy rains. So, yan. Metal na yung nilagay nila dito. And this is the continuation ng inyong side garden. Ayan. Look at that patch of greenery. Napakaganda. Diba? Humi yung vibe. So, up to here yan. Yung area na yan. Balik tayo sa loob. So, going back here, by the way, before tayo umakyat sa itaas, pakita ko muna sa inyo itong powder room for your guests or sa mga taong nandito sa ibaba. So, it's time for us to go to the second floor. For the flooring or for the stairs, tangile wood ang kanilang ginamit. Ganun din with the handrails and your tempered glass balustrade. Let's go up. So, lots of natural light. Again, coming from this side of the property. You also have step lights installed. And upon reaching here sa second floor, 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. And this is your bedroom 1. Okay, so for the bedroom 1, the location of your bed frame, huge window. We really like that now, yung mga ganitong type of window. Lots of natural light. Ang ganda rin ng cross ventilation. The location of your media wall. Floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage. And your ensuite toilet and bath. Kulang na lang yung inyong enclosure. So lots of storage space dito sa inyong cabinet. You also have your split type AC. 2 steps up, ito naman yung inyong bedroom 2. The location of your bed frame. Again, huge windows. Split type AC. The location of your media wall. By the way, for the flooring, laminated board, engineered to the whole second floor. You have your mini walk-in closet. Yan. Ganda nung no awkward space. Very organized yung look. Spacious toilet and bath. Parang medyo may pagka-square yung layout, no? Your water closet, shower space, and your lavatory with modern vanity mirror. Okay, so for the bedroom 3, ito yung inyong master bedroom. So for the master bedroom, the location of your bed frame, again, huge windows, location of your television set. You also have these wires para sa CCTV camera ninyo. A drop ceiling design, 2 windows, this entire space para sa inyong walk-in closet and your cabinet, and your ensuite toilet and bath. By the way, you have your split type AC. So lahat naman ng rooms may split type AC. Lots of natural light dito sa inyong stairs. So let's go up dito sa inyong attic. Or your third floor. And dito sa inyong attic or your third floor. Oh, third floor pala. So this is your bedroom 4. Location of your bed frame, cabinet. Again, huge window. Gusto ko talaga yung mga huge window. Sino bang hindi, no? The location of your media wall and your toilet and bath. Ganun pa rin yung flooring nila, laminated board with wood grain design. Hindi halata ang third floor dun sa labas, no, sa pasado. And lastly, your bedroom 5. Bed frame, split type AC, deep cabinets. Ang ganda, no? Gusto ko yung mga ganyan design. Oh, nakalaki itong fifth toilet and bath. But almost the same naman ng mga layout ng mga nakakita yung bedrooms or toilet and bath, no? And again, huge window. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new modern contemporary home located here in BF Homes, Parañaque City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.